Yo! You notice something different today? We're standing up because I have this standing desk and I've never used it. It's supposed to be good for your bag and you know my bag is horrible. Anyways, in here I think we have the newest Moyu Smart Cube, which is really exciting because it's the first Smart Cube from Moyu. And before we open it up, we have a guest today. Be nice, okay? Let's open this up. Woo! This is this is a different type of box than what I'm used to. What do you think, Pablo? Yeah, agree. There we go. Let's see. Oh, it's a box in a box. So it is, in fact, the Moyu AI and all of this other Chinese stuff. I hope you can read Chinese. That's my joke. Anyways, I know nothing about this cube, so basically this video is just gonna be us discovering what this cube is about. I didn't even know that you had this pretty cool dog, right? I think what they're saying right here is that this is the original core of the WR 2021. And supposedly, is it, you know the word I'm trying to say, supposedly, this is just like a mod of the original WR 2021, which should make the performance of this smart cube incredible. Pablo says he loves the packaging. Let's just open this up. I don't want to waste your valuable time watching this video. Thanks, by the way, for watching this. Why would they put like an empty box inside of the box when you can just put the cube in the box? Moyu, explain that to me. That's just stupid. This is pretty cool, right? Who uses micro USB these days? Everything is USB-C. Come on. Let's open this box inside of a box inside of a box. Extra center caps, cards, micro USB cable. This handsome Chinese guy. Is he Chinese? Is Moyu Chinese? Yeah, right? I don't want to make any mistakes. Alright, on the pamphlet we can see... the whole Moyu squad is over here. Drew Bratz, Lucas Eder, these handsome fellas. And if you do not know how to solve a cube, why would you buy a smart cube if you do not know how to solve a cube? It always flabbergasts me. Yes, I use the word flabbergast. There's an English side. Huh? Let's get rid of that. There's actually not that much in the box, right? So we have this. I'm not in a frame. Does it annoy you that I'm almost touching like the top? Does it annoy you, Pablo? Let's just first open the cube itself. I am gonna connect it to my phone soon if I figure out how to do it, but I guess we can just try it first. You guys just love this, right? He loves it, guys. So we cannot change magnet strength. That's like the first thing I noticed, that the magnets are kind of meh. Oh yeah. It feels a bit dry. The magnets aren't as strong as I like them to be, and it's a bit tighter as well. But I am used to like a cube that is set up so perfectly well. More about this cube next video. This is gonna be game changing, guys. This is okay, let's I don't know what to do. Okay. Here's an explanation. I'm gonna scan this code right here. Bloop. Which brings us to this well-designed web page. Okay, so we cannot do anything without logging in. I suppose I need to get this. I cannot connect my cube to my phone.
A few moments later.
Oh, do your little ears hurt as well? You should probably just follow this guide. I was trying to be too quick, okay? But I was able to set it up. I haven't done a solve yet, so this is gonna be our first solve. I'm basically just freestyling this video. I have nothing planned. That's why it is such a mess. Yo, I'm shooting this video for the kids at home. It's gonna be pretty, yo. I passed the mic to Pablo. Please scramble the cube. We're basically seeing it just like this. Alright, so this is my first solve on the cube. And if it's not sub 10, I'm giving away a $20 gift card. I do not have time for first pair, so bam. Pablo is falling over because he's so amazed at my speed. Oh, please. That was so bad. Oh my god. Did I promise something? I need to stop doing this. Oh no. So apparently my screen wasn't recording and I did so many stuff already, but that's a good thing because it has been quite a mess. I kind of know something about this app right now. We don't want to do tutorial because tutorial is just the tutorial of how to solve a Rubik's Cube. And Pablo, come on, we know how to solve a cube, right? So we're not gonna do that. Supposedly, it does a great job. I don't know. Statistics, I suppose that your data gets saved here over time. So depending on the mode, you can see like different stuff right here. For example, rank mode, we did 3 souls. You can see some stuff over here. I won a few times. We can see how our turns progress, TPS. We haven't done 5 souls yet, so we're not able to see the average of 5. So quick solve, you think this is just a quick time solve, right? But it's not. It's basically like to reset the cube, which we don't need because the cube is solved right now. But if it's not, at the bottom is where the party is happening. We have online duel, timer mode, community. Wow, look how nice this community. Can we... This is so funny. I just hope that someone sees this picture of us, Pablo. That would be so funny. But anyways, the entire app is super bad. I'm just saying it. But let me show you. So we have classic timing, which is basically... Why do I have to reconnect the cube? We have 16% left, guys. We don't have a lot of battery. I do not know how long the battery lasts, by the way. I will put the number right here that it says on the website, for example. But yeah, let's just do a solve and then see. Okay, this is really bad. I'm not focused. I did an unnecessary rotation over there and an A perm right here. Sub 10 still. You see like the TPS, you see the turns, you see the fluency. But that's it. If you press show replay, yeah. What are you doing, Pablo? Everything all right? It takes a long time, guys. That's what I'm saying. Like I don't even want to look at my replay anymore. So you saw what classic timing was. Free mode is just that you can scramble it however you want it to scramble and then you can solve it. This is not public yet, so I don't even know what limited time challenge is. This is the boring stuff. The fun stuff, Pablo, is online duel. We're gonna start with standard mode. I've done a few of those. You have seen these, Pablo. I think I did 3 of those. And the consensus is you have to wait so long. It is kind of ridiculous even. It's like, you want to have a fun solve. It's like, I'm having fun, guys. Our matching is just so slow. I kind of like having Pablo over there. Like, at least I'm talking to him right now and not like a camera. All my life. By the way, the scrambling goes really well. There's at least something positive. This is gonna be a good solve, by the way. If the cube kind of follows my speed. I do not know what rotation means over here because we have turns, which is the amount of turns you do. This is a turn. But rotations should be like whenever you physically rotate a cube. I didn't rotate my cube 35 times, maybe 2 or 3 times, but not 30. You got Pablo, did I turn my cube 35 times? But then again, the things that bother me mostly are things in the app. So these are things that they can update. So even if I do not entirely like it right now, it doesn't mean that I will not like it whenever there's an update or something like that. So that was my first good solve on this cube. It could have been a lot better actually, but 8 TPS, pretty good. Turns 64, rotations 35 again, fluency 82. It's fun to see this. This match overall felt really good. Maybe I'm just like biased because my time was good, but maybe the vibe does get better once you're used to it. But just like the waiting time is something that is like not okay. Let's just try the other mode, which is rank mode. I do not understand what this is. I think it should put you in a ranking, right? I haven't seen this ranking anywhere, so let's just do a solve and see what that does. Whoa, this was such a close match. I wasn't able to follow the match. That's like kind of the stupid thing about a smart cube, that there can be like this epic match, but you're so focused on your cube that you cannot even see the awesome things that are going on the other side of the screen. Scores, I do not know what that is. Can we see our ranking somewhere else, perhaps? Maybe in statistics? There's like rank mode? Is this where we can see the ranking? Hello? Ranking? imaginary ranking, let's say. Okay, so there's one more thing we're gonna play with, and that's face-to-face duel. Please input same numbers with your opponent cube available to join in the duel. Okay, we cannot even try this. If you both have this cube, you can battle together. If this works well, this is actually the most fun part about it. I will try to do something like this with like a fellow YouTuber out there, but for now we cannot do that. Let's see if there's something we missed. Yes! Yes, yes, yes! All of you guys are just gonna buy this cube because of this. Oh, so the rank score is maybe here. Wait, this is so buggy. Why is everyone has 0? And I mean, if this actually works, if they clean up everything, I kind of like the idea of having like a community where you can actually share stuff and have like an overview of your stats and everything, and post cool pictures like this one right here. But it just doesn't work. Sorry, it doesn't work. It just doesn't work well. It turns pretty well. Pablo, you turn it. You turn it, Pablo. You turn it. Turn it. Just turn it. Pablo, turn it. Hello, turn it. There's a cube. What a stupid animal he is. A lot of people think he's an alpaca or like a llama, but he's actually like a long-necked sheep. Oh, I'm sorry, Pablo. You cannot turn a cube with his tiny paws. It is $65. It will be way less though if you use discount code CUBED. It's a huge discount. Say it with me, Pablo. It's a discount. Yes, what Pablo says. That's it about this cube. Link to buy this cube will be in the description. Should you buy it? $65 is quite a lot. But then again, it's probably the closest you're gonna get to a speed cube in a smart cube as of now, that is. But the thing is, the app isn't good. Like, I'm starting a match right now. The waiting time is just annoyingly long. I don't even know if the opponent out there is actually a real opponent. It could be just a bot, for all I know. What do you think, Pablo? You think there's a bunch of other long-necked sheep out there playing with their Moyu AI? So this was the Moyu Waylong AI 3x3. If the app works, this could be like a monster smart cube, but it's always the app. I mean, it's always the app. So we just fixed that. Thanks everyone so much for watching. Peace. Hey Phil.
Hey, what's up?
So I kind of promised a gift card to one of my viewers, so could you please send me one?
I guess. Sure. Damn it, dude. That was my lunch money.